Welcome to vlogtober.
Jeff is a Blacktober.
What is it? Blacktober. Oh, black. Oh, black. Yeah, sorry. Nobody now hear that.
Oh, good.
What's your mouth full? Big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Impress Marcy again. Just watch the video straight to the end. See him?
Hey guys, it's your girl Empress Mercy here with another video. Yes guys, it's another vlogtober video. Today is vlogtober day 1, so welcome to vlogtober. Yes, this video is hosted by Sassy Ren, Simply Carla Jones, and of course our manager Tycoon Am3 NBA. Yes guys, so yeah, welcome to vlogtober. What is vlogtober? We're gonna be posting videos for the entire month of October. All right, so guys, stay tuned. We have some banging videos coming up. Just make sure that you're subscribed. All right, look right down here on your right, you see that red subscribe button. Go ahead and click it. Click the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my videos. Yes, and make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. For my welcoming vlogtober video, I'm gonna be doing a brunch with some families and friends. So I'm just gonna show you how we set up for the brunch and the stuff that we're gonna do today. All right, so you might see us in the same outfit twice because right after the brunch I'm gonna do another video, so you're gonna see us in the same outfit. Don't mind that. All right, just focus on the video. All right, so guys, this video is a collaboration with myself and a whole bunch of other YouTubers, so you have to check them out. All their links will be in my description box, and as I said before, we're going to be posting for the entire month of October. So yeah, welcome to vlogtober. So guys, this is us just trying to get the backdrop ready from overnight. So this is a very inexpensive brunch, as I said before. So what I'm using on it is one of my sheet from my closet. Yes, and we wanted to go with a yellow theme. So guys, we searched high and we searched low, and all the yellow cushions were so expensive. Yes, so you know, a thought came to my head and like, okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go to Walmart and I'm just gonna buy some yellow material. And then we just went over the attic, took down some cushions, and we just stitched the yellow material over the cushions, right? We just cut them out to fit, and then we just cover the top and stitch it under the bottom. As simple as that, guys. Very, very inexpensive. I told you that this brunch is an inexpensive brunch, right? And look at that. They came out so beautiful. And of course, the next morning when we woke up, opened the garage door, the backdrop fell over. Yes, sometimes stuff happen, but we're not gonna let that get us down, right? So all right, so Maria and Crystal and Naima is outside fixing up the brunch. Yeah, and we're gonna have to do over the entire backdrop, which is fine. When you're doing stuff like this, you have to be patient, right? You can't get too flustered or else things are gonna go wrong. All right, so on the ground I have the tarp, and on top of the tarp I have another one of my bed sheet, and then we place some bed lifters on top of that, and then we're going to use one of my hurricane shutter to make our table. Yes guys, you have to get creative. So we're going to cover the table with a white tablecloth. Yes, Naima's mom was so kind enough to lend us some of her decorations, and she lent us some white tablecloth, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to just cover the table with that and some yellow runners. So I just want to say thumbs up to Miss Gloria Welch for being so kind to us, for allowing Naima to brought some stuff here. And if you guys are ever in this area having a party and you want to hire her services, no problem, just let me know and I will hook you up. All right, she does this type of stuff, and she have all the decor that you will need for a party, wedding, etc. All right, so another thing guys, make sure that you have a list of everything that you're going to need for your brunch so that you don't overspend and buy stuff that is unnecessary. Search your house for what you have and what you can reuse. So yes guys, I'm so proud of everyone for coming together and helping. You know, sometimes, most of the times when stuff are happening, I'm always like the superwoman trying to get everything done, but everyone was hands-on, and I have to commend them for that. And going forward, we can only get better, you know. And look at that, guys. That is beautiful, right? Just by using stuff that you already have. And as I said before, Naima brought some decor as well. Yes, it turned out beautiful. So now, guys, I'm in here, I'm making some pancakes, and I'm just showing you some stuff that you guys can, you know, use when you're having brunch. This is some lollipop chicken for the kids. Yeah, even though the adult them eat them too. Yeah. So, and my mom is over here frying some chicken as well.
This is Howwerowe cooks.
All right, make your waffles now. Say hi.
So guys, just for menu ideas, we had some lollipop chicken, and these are also great if you're having kids party. Yeah. Also, we had some waffles and some pancakes, and Naeem is getting ready to make some French toast over there. We also had omelets, we had bacons, ham, we had mimosa, we had juice for the kids, and we also have cakes. Yeah, you can't have some party without cake. So yes, and of course the rain came, and we were like, should we go in or should we stay? And then the rain stopped, and I said, okay, we can stay. Then the rain come back again, so of course we have to come inside and reset everything, which was fine. The state of mind that we were in was just full of positivity, and we weren't backing down. Everyone came together. Yeah, everyone came together and reset every single thing. Yes, the backdrop isn't as neat as it was before, but still, we just push through and continue with our brunch, and it turned out beautiful. Yes, the evening turned out beautiful as well because the rain stopped and we went outside for our next project.
Have you fixed me some?
You want some wine in it?
Oh,
Huh?
yep.
I'm sorry. That's okay. Give me a glass.
I don't have it.
Thank you. Clears. Francesca's.
I'm not sick. He don't need his glasses. No, please.
Not really. You have just for color.
Everybody.
That's gonna be a good video right here. Anybody watching gonna pause it right here and like, yeah, this is good video.
Oh man, that was so funny.
Run them views up, baby. Run them views
Hold on,
up.
let me. Why the French shows are different? I'm sorry. Who let them? Me. We did.
Here.
Oh, I'm not.
Somebody's answering that.
Everything plays with the syrup. Jeffrey, that's what no soap. We said no?
What? At home? Nobody can do that at home.
Wow.
Act decent. Everybody else act decent but me.
Yeah.
Because I'm home. Everybody else is out.
Yeah, tell me the this is a calm before the storm.
Tomorrow.
We're gonna have rain tonight still. No.
Yeah, we could have been outside now, but we didn't know.
I don't think it'll be that bad with a lot of rain.
Yeah.
They said it up here to hurricane.
They have?
Yeah, cat warning now.
Oh my goodness.
But it's going more towards Texas now.
Is it?
Oh,
Texas again.
Yeah.
I have money to do this.
Yeah, they rich down there. They got that like
Them big and fancy, them can handle it. Them big and fancy, them can handle it.
Yeah, man, they come in. They'll be back.
Yeah.
Even the season on this woman falls good.
They say even the aluminum foil is good.
But
Good
I
night.
just had to clean my nose a little bit.
You want to handle the business? Naima. Yeah, I'm getting this. Then I can push the work hard on me. I can drive on it too.
Maybe
Hey, yeah, but that's not
she
bad.
may have one here. You know what I can take and walk for business.
We gotta figure out who put it. You know,
Oh, you can buy it too. You can just take it and buy it.
that's why he's telling me to hold the black card because he said I'm wasting the chicken.
Hush. Don't. Close your mouth.
You ever see her eat chicken? We just want to cry.
She raise it.
Outside pop. Well, not this kid. She just first lay on meat and that's it. But she put that on you.
I forgot.
She already saw you. What's your problem?
She can't just own me, but
She
on her
first.
whenever
She
she
did
has
it first.
You
can't fire me. I quit.
I got 2 jobs. I don't need this job.
You can keep them. Yeah, give it. It's not gonna be a show.
Of course.
Yellow shots?
Which one is?
Don't mind if I do.
Sure.
Of course.
Which one is edible?
Probably fall this morning on the time.
Crystal, make it Crystal. You want to Kendra?
Yes, you can do it.
Oh, so you lick for your head.
I don't know why.
Yeah,
really
I
good.
put it on my face when I was looking for all the alcohol laws because I needed to figure out how to get my wine shipment.
This was actually for Abby and Kyle. The one, huh?
And I'll pick up the bigger.
Yeah.
But I don't know if she would like that because it's too mixed up together.
See, we rolling.
like carrots and I like peas, but I don't want my
That's how we roll.
And she ends up not eating it.
Hey, you're going viral. you just make it to the big league, yeah?
So guys, I hope this was helpful in case you want to make an inexpensive brunch. Yeah, and remember to check out my vlogtober friends. All their links will be in my description box down below. Go check them out, guys. They have some awesome content. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So thank you for being here. If you have watched this entire video, you're a real one. Big up to you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. All right.